Welcome to Grimmey Chefs. We here again for you. This is the beginning of a very special series. We're going to show you how to save a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to save a lot of time with chicken. Just chicken. That's right, Grimmey Chefs are better than you. Let me show you what I can do with not one chicken, two. Come on here, and we got to purchase 2 whole chickens. Instead of buying the parts where you have to pay $7 to $10 for the breast, $6 to $7 for the wing, $10 for the wings. You know, you want some thighs. They running about the price of 2 chickens. 2 whole chickens we got here for only $10. Now, what do you do with the whole chicken? First of all, just because it came from the store, don't mean it's safe. You want to rinse the meat down. Give it a nice little cold rinse. You don't want to cook the meat overexposed to a temperature that will deteriorate your meat. So, give them a nice little rinse off. Most times chicken comes at the part, you have the neck and the heart, liver, and all that come with it. But this chicken is without those parts. That'll be your soup part. So, what we're going to do is going to take them with just a simple kitchen serrated knife. And we're going to take this chicken and break him down like they do. So you can see. Start at the breastplate. We're going to start at the breastplate and give us a nice little split going there. And it's all about anatomy. You know, you could do this with a real dull knife, actually, if you know how to cut. Where to cut, then on the anatomy of the shit. So break open the breastplate here. Now, we want to go down the back here so we can get that chicken back. Go all the way down and cut them in half. So you can see, it's not that hard. Cut them right there. Correct. Harder than that. Now, you gotta have the chicken here. Okay. You want your wing, of course. Get that wing right up under there and go right to that bone. Just cut through the gristle. It's not that hard to get to that. Now, quarter pieces is what we call, you know, the thigh here. You got your thigh and your leg. There's a gap in between that breast and that back. That's just skin to cut. Cut that. And you got a nice sized chicken breast. Now, we're gonna go deeper. Now this here is where your money is. Okay? That breast. You ever see the boneless breast in the store that they want $10 for a package of? Well, it's right here in your chicken. So, what you want to do is for healthy, you can actually leave the skin on. Well, we're going to take the skin off. So you want us a healthy bird. And this chicken is going to be for part of the series of how we cook each part. Now, you see right there, there is your boneless breast. You come up under there and you break him out of there. Come back down here. And there you go. Boneless breast. Got the breastplate bone right there. That's optional. Take that out. Now you got the regular chicken breast, your fried breast. Leaves you with the thigh and the leg. Now this section right here, if you go and hit this leg right across there, it should come right between the bone and separate that thigh. Separate that thigh and that leg. And for me, I like that thigh part too. I see. Work with that. You can do that. You can take that and take the skin off of it, leave the skin on and fry 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 5 pieces of chicken off of half the chicken. So that means that when we get through, you're gonna have 10 pieces of chicken. Oh, this is a fat leg. So we're gonna repeat the same thing and do the leg, catch them from the thigh. And if you get it just right, they go right through that. It's really nice. That easy. And look at that. Now, you wanna look at this. This right here. This is what we're gonna have to work with, because we don't have the neck and the rest of the innards. That's a good part of the meal too. So we're gonna take that back. And we're gonna go back down inside of that back, because we got a recipe for that. Okay. Yeah, so you got a nice little chicken back there. That's useful, you know. That's what's so good about this process, is that you get everything to use. You use everything. Now you got your thigh. And back to the breast. Y'all want to see this again, because this procedure is, you know, cook surgery. You gotta know that anatomy, because if you hit it just right, just about 5-6 strokes, it's gone. We use this on nobody you don't like, you know, that procedure. You hit them just right like this. Take it right off. And hold on to the skin. Bam. Now, it's that breastplate again. Let's take the skin off, because it makes it easier for you to see what you're doing here, what you're looking for. Skin just peel right back. That's your nice little gray breast. See, come up under here. We're going to get the full one off of this piece. Right up under the skin. Right up under here. That's all the white meat. So it'll be so healthy and tasty. If you cook it right, tender, juicy breast. That's what it ain't that money for. They're processing this chicken. So we have butchers. They probably have machines do this, but you can do it yourself. And as you see, nice chicken breast. Nice chicken breast. Cut them in strips. Now, so we have 10 pieces of chicken now. What are we gonna do? We'll take that and we'll take our wings and our legs. Right? Take the 2 wings. Put them in the bag, 2 legs, put them in the bag, store them up for freezing. Then we're going to take the breast with the plate. Got our breast, our fried breast, over there, in the bag for freezing. You're going to double this because you're doing 2 chicken. Then you got your boneless breast. You bag them up for and your thighs. Now we're gonna come right back and show you what we're gonna do with the rest of this chicken. Take a quick break and Grimmey Chef, I'll show you what we better than you. Cause this is what we do. For real. Remember, we're trying to help you save some money. We're better than you. We're chefs. We got music.